Now students, we are going to solve the last question of this exercise, that is, the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. First of all, you say me, what is the area of rectangle? That is length into breadth. You are correct. Length into breadth is equal to area. Clear? Our first sentence is the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. That means area is reduced by 9 square units. मतलब एरिया में से हम 9 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स माइनस कर देंगे. ये कब होगा? इफ इट्स लेंथ इज इन रिड्यूस्ड बाय 5 यूनिट्स. अगर लेंथ में से हम 5 यूनिट्स रिड्यूस कर दें एंड breadth is increased by 3 units and we increase breadth by 3 units, then we get the area reduced by 9 square units. Clear? And in the second sentence, if we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units and breadth also increased by 2 units, then area increases by 67 square units. Then area will be increased by 67 square units. By solving these two conditions, we will get the dimension of the rectangle. That means length and breadth of the rectangle. So first of all, we have to take length of rectangle be x unit and breadth is y unit. Let the length and breadth of the rectangle be x units and y units respectively. Clear? Now, then length into breadth is equal to area, or x into y is equal to area. Clear? According to first condition, what is our first condition? If length is reduced by 5 units, that means x minus 5, and breadth is increased by 3 units, that is y plus 3, then the area, that means xy is reduced by 9 square units. Clear? If अगर हम लेंथ में से 5 माइनस कर देते हैं और ब्रेड्थ में 3 ऐड कर देते हैं तो जो इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा दैट इज एक्स वाई, जो कि एरिया है, वो एरिया 9 स्क्वायर यूनिट कम हो जाएगा. क्लियर? नाउ जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई द ब्रैकेट्स. एक्स इंटू वाई, एक्स वाई प्लस 3x माइनस 5y माइनस 15 इज इक्वल टू एक्स वाई माइनस 9. एक्स वाई is cancelled from both sides, then 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 9 plus 15, then 3x minus 5y is equal to 6 is our first equation. Clear? Similarly, we will do for the second condition. According to second condition. So what is our second condition? if we increase the length by 3 units, x plus 3, and the breadth is by 2 units, breadth also increased by 2 units, then the area increases by 67 square units. मीन्स अगर हम लेंथ में 3 यूनिट बढ़ा दें और ब्रेड्थ को भी हम 2 यूनिट बढ़ा दें, तो ऐसा करने पे जो एरिया होगा वो भी ऑटोमेटिकली बढ़ेगा, और वो कितना बढ़ेगा? 67 स्क्वायर यूनिट इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. क्लियर? नाउ आफ्टर सॉल्विंग द ब्रैकेट्स एक्स वाई प्लस 2x प्लस 3y माइनस प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू एक्स वाई प्लस 67. Again xy cancel from both side. Then what is remaining? 2x plus 3y is equal to 67 minus 6. 2x plus 3y is equal to 61 is our second equation. Now our task is solving the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1 is 3x minus 5y is equal to 6, and equation 2 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 61. Now students, here we are going to apply elimination method. So we have to make any one of the variables coefficient equal. So we are going to equate coefficient of x. So what we do? We have to multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3. Clear? Now we will write here multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. So what we get? 6x minus 5y is equal to 6x minus 10y is equal to 12, and 6x plus 9y is equal to 183. Equation number 3 and equation number 4. Here students, both the sign of x in both the equations are same, so we will subtract equation number 4 from equation number 3 and we change all the signs of equation number 4. So 6x minus 6x, it is cancelled, and minus 10y minus 9y, that is minus 19y is equal to minus 183 and plus 12, 171 minus 171. Now minus minus cancel from both sides, and y is equal to 171 upon 19. Then y is equal to 9. 19 9s are 171. Clear? Y is equal to 9. Now putting y is equal to 9 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. Then y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9, we will put here. So 3x minus y into 9 is equal to 6. 3x minus 45 is equal to 6. 3x is equal to 6 plus 45, that is 51. X is equal to 51 upon 3 is equal to 17. So our answer is, what is our answer? The length is x unit, that means length is equal to 17 units and breadth is equal to 9 units. So students, pause the video to be noted down.